Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for mastering software and tech the smart way. In today's video, we are diving into Vacation Tracker, a super handy tool that helps teams track paid time off, holidays, and even remote work days with ease. So whether you're an HR pro, a manager, or a remote team member, this software simplifies time off requests, approvals, and leave balances all in just a few clicks. So we will walk you through how to set it up, request time off, manage teams, and make the most of its integrations. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Vacation Tracker. On the top corner, you have an option to log in using your credentials, or click the sign up for free. If you do, you will be forwarded to this page wherein you just have to provide all the information needed. To make the account creation easier, you can choose to sign up for a free trial using any of the following options. You can use Slack, Microsoft, Google, or your work or business email. And then you should be able to create an account without any problems. All right. If you want to learn the vacation tracker, you can click on next. But if you want to skip all of it, which I'm going to do, click on this button. As you can see, the interface, as you may notice, it's very straightforward, but it's intuitive because now the thing that sits the top left corner is obviously the leave requests. Okay, so this displays all the submitted leave requests by any users. You can have admins and managers can, of course, approve, deny, or cancel leave requests. So you have two options here. You can request a leave, which is going to be a very easy thing to do. For example, on the leave type, you can choose from any of the following: PTO or paid time off, sick day, or working remotely. So we're gonna click the working remotely. Say for example, we're gonna start this May 30th, ending at May 31st. Okay, reason is, let's say for this instance, I'm gonna be using this. Okay, so all right, click the request leave, and there you have it. Okay, the request has been added, and of course you can filter employee data or leave type. If you want to request another leave, you can do that. You see there's another option here for the add leave. You can use this form if you are adding leave for another user. Since you are the admin or your supervisor or manager, you can do that here. If you are adding leave for yourself that does not require approval, go for it. For example, I'm going to be choosing my name, and of course you can also use the leave type. It's going to be paid time off, and start date is going to be around May 25th, ending at 27th. Okay, so the same thing. Let's click the add leave. So we have successfully added the leaves here. We're going to go to the dashboard. Essentially, dashboard is the main overview of your organization's time off activity. All right. Now, you would notice that you can see who has leave today, upcoming time off, summary of leave balances, and a quick actions for admins or managers. So you have all of these sections for you. All right. Now, with that being said, you have the calendar, wherein it's a visual layout of time off schedules. You can show leaves in calendar format. All right, helps teams plan around absences, may include filters by team, location, or leave type. All right, so you have all these. Now, the good thing about it is that you can sync with their calendar. All right, you can connect your calendar here. You can choose Google Calendar, but it requires a subscription plan. Since we are on a free trial, if you do want that, it's easy. Just subscribe and upgrade to the newer plan. You have the Google Calendar and the Outlook Calendar for you. That's two options. Okay. Now, the wall chart is one of my favorites here in Vacation Tracker because this is going to be a more compact spreadsheet-like view of leaves. It displays all users and their leave dates in a grid, which is useful for comparing team members' schedule side by side. Ideal for team-wide planning and conflict detection. Okay? Now, you can choose from locations or departments, and you have all these. Now, the users is wherein you can manage all of the users and their profile systems. You can, matter of fact, you can invite users, okay, or create users if you wanted. For example, you can put in the name, email address, location, and click the create users. And then you can set leave quotas or individual policies as well. So you have all these options for you. Of course, the notifications is basically some of the subsections for you. All right, increasing visibility and keep your team informed. You can, however, create a daily or weekly notification and click the save notification. But of course, you need to provide the time zone. For example, Alaska time, send to email, you can send to. All right, click the save notification. The add-ons are, of course, extra features and integrations within the Vacation Tracker. You can have the blackout period, seniority, entitlement, and a lot more. All right, which is useful for the beta or premium tools because you can have an integrations here. The import section allows you to bulk upload data, importing users, leave history or settings from a CSV file or another system. It's useful during onboarding or migration. Of course, the reports generates all of these insights and summaries. You can track leave balances, usage trends, and absenteeism, export data for payroll or audits, and a lot more. Okay, and obviously the help desk is something that you might want to go into if you wanted to have a support and documentation center. All right, and with that being said, and that wraps up our walkthrough of Vacation Tracker. So if you're looking for a simple user-friendly solution to manage time off for your team without the spreadsheet chaos, Vacation Tracker is definitely worth a try. It's intuitive, efficient, and scalable for teams of all sizes. So we've explored how to request time off, approve leaves, customize policies, and a lot more. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to comment if you have any questions, like this video, or even tools that you would like us to review. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.